Welcome back to the video. Today we're in the Node docs, trying to append a file to append information to our existing file. So let's get started. We're basically looking up information, trying to find how to append something. So basically we just clicked on the docs link in the nodejs.org and scroll down, try to find anything to do with appending. Alright, in our project, we make sure you also have to make sure you're in the right file, because in this situation, this is a HTML file which won't run the node, and as it is set up at this point in time. So you'll get thrown an error if you try to type in the node code in a HTML file, even though it's JavaScript, but it's just node on a server, which basically doesn't have to have all of the documentation of an HTML file. And as you can see here, the const fs, this should be an equal sign instead of a minus sign. We're basically just requiring a file system here. But yeah, some mistakes were made, but this is basically letting you know that you're not to place your Node.js into the HTML file. As you see the error, basically the error came because it says node is not a recognized name. Basically, we're not even, if you look in that terminal, we're not in the actual location of our actual file system. So basically, node doesn't know where it's coming from. It's not built from this HTML file, and this is in this location at all. So we need to go to the right drive and the right folder and the right location for our project in order to get this node program running. So let's create our JS file instead of our HTML file. Copy and paste the information that I placed into the HTML file and start from there. So basically what we have here is the const fs is equal to require fs, not minus require, but equal require fs. This is to create the file. And fs dot write file sync, open parentheses, then inside quotations you want to write the name of the file. Instead of test page, it's going to be testpage.txt, and close off the quotations, but then separate the next quotations with a comma, which is going to be the content. But you normally, in real life situations, you wouldn't want all your information stored like this, but for test purposes we're going to do an example with the content created this way. Okay, so once I navigated to the correct drive and the actual project folder, I opened up the Node terminal this time instead of just using the terminal in there, because at this point I didn't have the right location set up in that, but I already had the terminal up, so I just went ahead and started writing the commands in it. So navigated to the correct drive and then the folders, typed node in order to start the node server, then named our file, which was create here.js. Then after I press created here.js, basically it just created the file in our system. So that's how you create the file in Node. It gives you the content and the title of the file also. If you like the video, subscribe, like, and comment. See you next time.